If you're not finished, then you can give them to me. How is it, Dad?
Good.
Really good?
Yeah.
That's good. You want some more cheese and Parmesan?
No.
Okay. Dad,
Huh?
can you finish them?
I don't know.
They look so yummy. I can't help it. So yummy. So I will try what I cooked. My husband already got his. Num num num. SuperGreens spaghetti pasta with meatballs. Yum. Yum. There's a lot of snow today again. Although this is so yummy, I am not going to finish all of them. I reduced my carb intake, so these are for my family's lunches and meals. So good. You should try making this at home, my friends. OMG. I can't stop eating. I have to stop. On the meatball, heavenly, tasty. Okay, so the other half, I will save these for tomorrow. Sira na naman diet ko. Half only. I'm saving these for tomorrow's lunch. I can't stop eating, but I have to. Cheers. Thank you so much for joining me, my friends. Until my next upload, I'll see you soon. Cheers to good health, happiness, and success. Thank you all so much for watching. My favorite drink, carbonated natural spring water. Who wants some? Yummy, yummy, yummy. What's happening, honey? What's happening? Can't finish?
No, I'm full.
You're full? You can do it.
Come on.